Hi, it's Erin from the Home Sanctuary. I just wanted to make a quick video to show you how to make elderberry syrup. This morning we were out running around and doing some grocery shopping, getting my kid's haircut, and one of my kids noticed had a little bit of sniffles, so I noticed we're out of elderberry syrup. So I'm making some today, and I figured let me just make a video because it's very, very easy, and I see a lot of people posting things online in different groups and stuff I'm in, and they're not sure how to use it, or they're buying stuff that's in stores, and you can really make it at home for very inexpensive. I have the dried elderberries. This is from Star West Botanicals. You can also get it from another good source as Mountain Rose Herbs. And it is here I have it all measured, right? 1 cup of elderberry and 4 cups of water. I'm gonna pour the water in first because I already have this pot heated up. So I don't want that sitting there getting too hot. So we have our 4 cups of water, 1 cup of dried elderberry. And I don't know, this camera is not really great. I did create a video a while ago, about a year ago, that I can show the link also, but just wanted to show you real quick how easy it is. Then I have some elderberries in there. I have some cloves. I'm gonna put in, or sorry, not cloves. These are cinnamon sticks. I'm gonna put in a couple cinnamon sticks. It has extra benefits, and it also gives it some flavor. Then I'm gonna put some cloves. I used to measure. I don't really measure anymore because I've made this so many times. Just maybe like a tablespoon. I just put a little bit in the palm of my hand and dump the cloves in. Okay. I also like to use some ginger. This is ginger that I dried up, so it just kind of looks like that when it's dried, or you can use powder or fresh. I'm gonna put, let's see, I'm gonna put about 4 of those in, and then you're going to stir it up. And you just bring it to a boil, and then bring it down to a simmer and let it simmer for, I don't know, maybe about an hour. I just eyeball it. So it's gonna, okay, so you're gonna stir this up. Then you're just gonna let it boil. Bring it down to a simmer for about an hour, or until you notice that some of the water has evaporated off, and you'll see a little bit of rim of the elderberry staying around the outside of the pot. And then I'll come back and show you what we're gonna do after it's to that state. Actually, I'm gonna remove this from the heat for a minute because it is really kicking. So after it comes to a boil, I'm gonna keep stirring it, and then reduce the heat to low and let it just simmer for about an hour. Okay, so it's been about an hour, and the elderberry mixture has been brewing. And now what we're gonna do, this camera angle is not the best, but I have here a cheesecloth, a strainer, and I just put it in a little bowl. Fits right over there. Let me put this cheesecloth over it, and I'm gonna try to back it up so it's easier to see. Okay, so I'm just going to pour this carefully because it's hot into here so it all strains off. You can see how the juice went to the bottom. I'm just gonna let this sit here before I try to squeeze it out because it's still really hot. We're going to add the honey. So I have my local honey, and we're gonna pour in 1 cup. This is a ½ cup, so I'm gonna put in 2. Doesn't have to be exact. Okay. Okay, so I got my cup of honey. We're gonna stir this up. So after the honey is all dissolved, you just pour it into your container. You can use a mason jar. I have this little amber bottle. I gotta be careful because these amber bottles are hard to see. I don't want it to overflow. Okay, almost getting to the top. Ooh, okay, so I got a little extra. So this will last in the fridge for 3 months, and as you can see, it makes quite a lot. I still have some extra here. So that is an easy way for you to be making elderberry syrup at home. That was helpful to you. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe and share. Thank you.